So it's always an adventure with the 2007 Kia Spectra5 in terms of repairs. Today, I unlock the door, but then look, I come around here, the trunk does not open. And you can't simply take the key and put it in there and do that either, because this has been seized shut for quite some time. I've always had to use the door lock inside. Go inside the car and then take the rear trunk panel off. It's 2 Phillips screws, and then you yank it down. So already I can see what the problem is. This little actuator here, you can see it's moving in one direction but not really the other. Here it is again, closer up. So it's getting stuck in one position, which means the actuator is getting power because we can see it moving, but for some reason the motor is not working to do it both directions.